I'm bringing, what's his name? Angel or something. I'm gonna bring him to his freedom. In the eyes of an angel. In the eyes of an angel. Okay, gonna be free. Oh, Malanga, the bitch, mama. Oh, Malanga, hey. Go, fly. Be free, stupid bird. I said be free. Okay. That is not how you become free. Yay. You're almost free. Almost free. Go. You want to say thank you? See, a black guy helped you. Now go. Tell your people, black man freed you. Okay? Go, stupid. Just gonna stay here? Go. Go away. Don't stay here. Go have your life. Okay, if I leave you there and they eat you, snake's probably gonna eat you. Alright. Goodbye, birdie.